What's going on, YouTube? It's been a minute since I've been back. I've been doing a lot of stuff, a lot of working lately. But the reason why I came back today, or to have this video today, is because I switched from the Cummins project over there. I switched from that, and I was switching to my Buick Riviera. I was asking myself what I want for Christmas, or what should I get for Christmas, and I was debating on getting an AR-15 rifle or getting this car running. So I actually went with this because I neglected it a lot, and I need to get it fixed. So what I'm showing you guys real quick, this is a Buick 430 big block engine. All right, it's obviously been rebuilt, but I took it out, rebuilt it again. Rear main seal shot, it's pistol oil everywhere. It's a rope type seal, and that's pretty much it so far. I'm in the process of taking the engine apart. I'm checking out all the components, and I'm going along there. Alright, so I'm going to show you guys the engine. So, this is it, right here. Let me see if I can get you some light. There we go. Alright, so this is it. Buick 430, big block, alright. I have to clean it up and get the casting number for the heads and for the block. Somebody was telling me that, I think it's like right over here somewhere where I can find the number at, but I'm not 100% sure yet. But this is it, man. This was it ran really good before I took it out. It had good oil pressure. Before that seal went on, it actually ran pretty fine. Once it warmed up, after that it was a one key turn type engine. So I know the engine's good. I'm gonna have the block send the block in with the crank and the rods. I'm going to have clearances checked because I'm going 30 over size pistons, which I already have. I have them over here in a box. I'll show you guys in a second. I actually have a lot of parts and stuff. But yeah, I'm going with 30 over pistons. I'm going to keep stock rods because I'm not trying to push more than pretty much all the Buick forums and books I read. If you do over, what's up? What? In the chair? What bag? Oh, it's in the chair. Or if not, it's on the couch somewhere. It's in there. So, sorry about that. So, yeah. So, back to what I was saying. I lost my track. My wife pulled me aside. Alright, so yeah. So, like I was saying, I have new 30 over pistons. I'll show you guys now while I'm talking. Running my mouth. Alright. Piston rings right here, Aston. It's a good brand. I got that. I got my cam bearings. I'm gonna have the machine shop press them in because I don't have the tool nor do I feel like doing it. New freeze plugs. It came with this little random pack of comp cam grease, which is cool. But here we go right here, man. Hyper pneumatic, man. I think I'm saying it right. Here we go. Boom. Alright, these babies is what's going inside of her. Comes with new fucking wrist pins, which is cool. And yeah, super excited. I'm so excited. It's my projected date to have her back on the road running. I'm trying to have her out before summer comes. It's going to be a long project. I've been working part-time job to kind of get a little extra cash going towards the project, speed up things. But yeah, everything's been going good. Oh yeah, by the way, do not use this as a reference. This is horrible. I only had these bolts are from the old carburetor that was on it. This one I couldn't find the other two, so I ended up having to jimmy rig this plate. But when I go to install it, I'm buying chains, and I'm just gonna chain it from here to here. But don't do that. And also on the side note, I'm not a certified ASE mechanic. I'm a do-it-yourself type of guy. I am a mechanic though. I work on helicopters, but I'm not no certified, big block specialist and stuff like that. I'm just a do-it-yourself guys. There's tons of videos out there for old school Chevy Fords and Mopar cats out there. But yeah, So this is the engine bay. If you look here, that transmission dates back to the original one off the placard over there in that corner. All right, got a turbo 400, 3-speed. Got a high stall torque converter. I don't remember what stall it's at, but it is a high stall. along with a Transgo shift kit. Right now it's set up for stage 1, but depending on how it performs after I do all the engine mods, I'm going to do a stage 2 possibly. Taking this engine out was not hard at all. I mean, shoot, you look at the mounts here, there, take those bolts out, disconnect everything that connects to the engine. I labeled all the wires before I took them off. That way, even though it's not a whole lot, but I labeled everything and took it off. It took some time, routing all the stuff, took it off, and then it was good. This car is cool because this car comes with an electric fuel pump. Now, this is not the electric fuel pump that came with the car in '69. It came with an in-tank electric fuel pump back in '69. But the person I bought it from bypassed it. Oh, it's freaking dark in there. But yeah, right down in there. I gotta get a better light. I already have an aluminum radiator. I got this from off of eBay. I think it was like $250, $225. It's good so far. Right here, it's a mess in this garage. Water pump. So nice, clean aluminum billet shaft and all that good stuff. So got a new water pump there. I ordered a new timing cover. It should be here this coming week because this one is shot. Like, this is nasty, man. I've never seen something like that before. Look at that, all that crud. You know, so I got that going. I'm probably gonna have to look into changing out the heater core because I guarantee you, if this looks like this, the heater core is gonna look like crap too. So I'm probably gonna have to end up looking into that. I've never done one of those before, so it should be fun. Yeah, it's bad, man. It's cruddy. As ugly and nasty as this engine looked, it ran really good. And this thing sat in somebody's backyard for like 5 years, not being driven or starting up and stuff. You know, I went and bought it, and it cranked up right away. I'm not gonna lie, I am nervous as hell taking off these manifold bolts because just not even a manifold bolt, just a little simple timing cover bolt here. It snapped off in there, man, and I really don't. This is easy to fix though, but these ones, I've been soaking them, so I'm probably gonna soak them again, my best as possible. I'm gonna hit that side up too, on this side. But yeah, man, this is original, all straight up. You know, got the firing order here, all that good stuff. You know, I don't even know what this is for. Probably something like vacuum advance or something with suction. I don't know, but this is it, man. This is my project. I bought this before I moved here in North Carolina. I bought this in San Diego or in California. It was up north, like 2 hours, but I hauled it up there and then I hauled it here with that trailer in my truck. It's a good car, you know. Once I get it cleaned up better and out of the garage, I can be able to do a full walk around video and whatnot, you know. I can tell you right here, I am going to be prepping the engine bay though. I got a pressure washer on the way. I'm going to clean up all this gunk, like there's blood caked on, you know. This is nasty. I'm going to clean it down, scrape all that crap off. That power cylinder is annoying because it's so greasy. But yeah, my time, hit it up with that frame paint, give it a nice black coat. You know, I already put 4 brand new Cooper Cobra radials on it, so she's good. But it's a slow project, man. You know, it's not gonna be something that you can just do in a weekend, flip it around. You know, I'm taking my time on this. I know the videos make it seem like it doesn't take a lot of work, but it does. And it takes money too, you know. But those people probably have money, and it does have the front end too. By the way, I took it off because I had to take it off to get this guy in. But the frame is up here. The only suspect rust spots are your typical here, back by the back window. You know, stuff like that. He did one good thing though, having to sit in the backyard. He had the roof treated. You know, they sanded it. It's Bondo. It definitely is. I mean, you can hear it, but still, it's good. But all right, man. That's it, YouTube. This is my '69 Riviera. Yeah, I mean, if you guys got advice, I know there's a lot of old school dudes out there on the web, advice when it comes to this. I'm gonna be recording as I go along with it. Right now, I just had to get this on film before I moved it along any further. Because when I first came out here, and I got pictures when I first came out earlier today, it was everything was still on, you know, distributor, all that stuff. But I started taking that stuff off. But I had to stop and charge up the GoPro, and then I wanted to get this on film, you know. So it's kind of like the project restoration. But so follow the channel, like the videos if you like it. If you think I could do something to make it better, let me know. Comment, like, subscribe. Interaction is always good. And I'll see y'all later. All right. The only suspect rust spots are your typical here, back by the back window, you know, stuff like that. He did one good thing though, having to sit in the backyard. He had the roof treated. You know, they sanded it. It's Bondo. It definitely is. I mean, you can hear it, but still, it's good. But all right, man. That's it, YouTube. This is my '69 Riviera. Yeah, I mean, if you guys got advice, I know there's a lot of old school dudes out there on the web, advice when it comes to this. I'm going to be recording as I go along with it. Right now, I just had to get this on film before I moved it along any further. Because when I first came out here, and I got pictures, when I first came out earlier today, it was everything was still on, you know, distributor, all that stuff. But I started taking that stuff off, but I had to stop and charge up the GoPro, and then I wanted to get this on film, you know. So it's kind of like the project restoration. But so follow the channel, like the videos if you like it. If you think I could do something to make it better, let me know. Comment, like, subscribe. Interaction is always good. And I'll see y'all later. All right.